Here's how to remove your login password in Windows 11, step by step, explained like we're just chatting. First, click the Windows icon on the bottom left of your screen to open the Start menu. Search for Settings or click the gear icon if you see it, which will open up the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, look at the list on the left and click on Accounts. This is where you manage everything related to your user account, from login info to sync settings. Inside the Accounts section, find Sign In options and click it. You'll also a list of ways you can log in, like PIN, password, facial recognition, and fingerprint options if your device supports them. Look for the section that says Password. Click the little arrow to open it, then click Change. Windows will ask for your current password, which you need to enter to move forward. If you don't remember it, you'll need to reset it first before making any changes. After entering your password, you'll see a screen asking you to create a new one. Now, here's the trick. If you want to remove the password completely, just leave all fields blank. Don't type anything in the new password field, don't re-enter it, and skip adding a hint. Then click Next. Windows will confirm the change, and your account will no longer require a password to log in. A couple of extra tips. This method works best on local accounts, and it may not apply to Microsoft accounts linked online. Those still require a password. Removing your password makes logging in faster and more convenient, but it also reduces security. So only do this on a trusted device. If you want to keep things secure while skipping the password, you could consider using a PIN or Windows Hello features, which are quick, safe, and keep your account protected while avoiding the need to type a full password every time.